think there's a fifth one, but here we are, 13th day of February. We're going. I skipped a few other ones, but oh yeah, big ones here. More stairs. I don't like that, but I get it. But it's a little much. One thing about this color, get too dirty too easily. More, I guess, probably have grandchildren up there, I guess. I don't know. But we get in the bigger, I skipped a whole aisle because it's just the same kind of behavior. We'll get over there to the next one. We'll get over to the, what do you want to call them, the Class Bs, whatever else. So, pretty big head. Plenty of room in here. We'll go on down here. Fall down and kill yourself here. Oh, Jesus. Oh. This one is 92 grand. After it's once it was 65, it's the Wildcat. Bed back in there. I've used a little much. I don't know. I don't get that. Storage. I like the grays. Big ass TV. So this is probably a grandchildren. I could make this into a storage area. TV goes right there. So another bed for the kid over here. I don't know. A little much. Another head for it's a 2 baths, I guess. So. Ookie dookie. Yeah, it's too bad music is gonna get triggered on it. But it's the way she goes, man. When you're videoing. So if I can hear it, you guys can hear it, and so can YouTube. So.
They're looking at all this
So now I get into here. 115,000 usually. On sale was 35 grand. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jesus. It's a nice big bed. More stairs to walk up. To go up here. You got a nice head there. Thomas Paine, not bad. But just it's a lot of pulling around, a lot of money for a lot of floor space. It just doesn't need all this stuff. So that up there too as well. I'm sorry, but I get it, man. I don't know. Just more stuff you gotta have. Less is more. The bigger these things get, the worse they are. See this one, Wildcat. These Wildcats are the same thing. It's more of a, well, got the bed in here. A little different, not bad. Washer dryer, right there. Well, stairs make me a little nervous, man, if you're a little hungover. So a little neutral color there. Microwave. I don't know. So this is your living room up here, I guess. Sit up here and hang out with your friends and watch TV, I guess. You probably make those in the bed, so I guess. I don't know. We'll see what happens, huh? That's 88 grand that thing was, and it's on sale for 61, so. Yeah, they have this every year. It's usually, this one's 136,000 going for 100,000. Camping World. Yeah, they're pretty, they bought up all the small guys. Well, some different colors in this one. Look at that. More stairs into here. Alright, see this is. Yeah, these are something you drop for like up in my cabin. You can rent a spot for I think $100 a month, and you drop it, and then you go down to Arizona somewhere. But I don't know. I'm not spending $100,000 on something like this. You know it's going to break down on you. You're going to leak like a banshee. You'll be in the shop, and you're going to have to pull it. I want to make it simple with a all-wheel drive van that I can drive around. They can pull something simple. You're going to spend $200,000 total, and you got to get a truck to pull it. So you plan, God laughs, right? 2025 is 102,000. I'd go at 75, so the stairs. Neutral colors. Yeah, oh, nice head. That's got a nice tall ceiling. That's nice. That one you can sit that one for elderly people. Nice bedroom there. Just you gotta step down. It's a lot of work to get up there. A lot of work getting upstairs there. These stairs make me nervous. You want your mom and dad to come along with you, you're gonna fall down.
Right.
It's a lot of stairs, man. Yep. So yeah, that's a weird upstairs there. I don't need all that behavior. Did you need to come if you're looking for one? What do you want? So. Sandpiper. Wash. It's the first time I've ever seen a washer and dryer. Usually they put them on top of each other. Yep. More stairs. Oh, yeah. Not bad. But those, like I said, I'll repeat it like a broken record. Those stairs make me nervous. That's all I'm saying. Breaking an ankle. But a lot of room. I mean, you can sit here and with your friends and watch a little YouTube. Hang out here. And man, smoke some geef and have the time of your life. Mm-hmm. What the hell, right? So, yeah, it's a stairway. You guys have seen that before. Let's go over here. I don't like those slide outs. Let's see if I can get by here. Same place. Oh. Who says I'm fat? All right, go. Snuck through there. These are the basic ones. Oh, not bad. No stairs. Open floor. 2 beds. TV can go there. I kind of like it. You know, I like this one. Life is an adventure. Enjoy the ride. You're damn right. But yeah, not bad. Kind of like it. I'd use that for storage. Take it out. Put all the stuff I need to put in there. I don't need all that stuff because I don't have any kids that I know of. But still nice. It's a nice ride. Hell yeah. Oh. Yeah, we'll kind of go down this one. We'll go over to the Class Bs and stuff. We'll go over there. Oh. So this one, 50 grand on sale, 20 grand off. Ooh, that's pretty tight getting in there. See, I don't know. I don't think you need this. This just takes up more room. So you don't need that. Take that, you can put this over here. Take that out of the way, you don't need that. Get that out of there. So I don't know. Again, if I bought it, I would make it in my storage area over here. This would be my storage stuff. What I would do if I'm buying this tomorrow. And I'd say, hey, listen, I want this someplace else. But there's one thing about it, tight spot getting in here. The head's kind of small. But, I don't know, it's nice, but my money would be spent better on something else. I give it a 7 out of 10, probably. 50 grand. But like I said, the roll, I do like those things that come up like that. So we'll kind of finish up here. There's Cedar Creek experience. But 103,000. Ugly color. More stairs. Lots of room. So if you're a TV in here, gotta walk up the stairs. If you're an old person, you're not gonna get it. But the head in here, that's nice. Nice big, lovely and talented bed. Nice. So we'll cruise on down here. I gotta put a new battery in this thing. Continue on, eat some fresh water, fresh horses here, right? Got the sports show coming up. We're in the last one here. Yeah, it's too bad the music is going to be in the background for a lot of these things. So I have a TV there. You can watch TV outside. Kind of cool.
It's for like snowboards.
Oh, that's not. Yeah, someone's in there. Someone's in there. Same kind of thing, anyways. They want 80 grand for that pig. So, anyways, we're gonna run over to the other side over there. So we'll end this one. We'll put another battery in. So I think I got one somewhere. I better have another one. It'll be the last one. Yeah, I know where it's right in there. I think there it is, right in there. All right, guys. See you next one.